also thank the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister in charge of roads for the reply. So this is the third time that I raised this issue in this August House in a successive session. So I want to, I know from the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister on the newspaper report, which I have with me a copy, which appeared in the New Shillong or Shillong Times on the 4th of February 2026. In view of the newspaper report dated 4th February 2026, stating that the district state officer, Kauti, has failed to prove the Army's ownership of the 600-meter stretch. Based on the RTI findings by one activist, may I know from the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister whether the government is aware of the matter, what action has been taken thereon?
Sir, yesterday, Honorable Chief Minister has called a meeting where the GOC of the Army also attended. All the officers of the defense and also with the officials of the state government. And in the meeting we had yesterday, I am happy to inform that the GOC and the Defense Authority has agreed not to disturb or not to create any stoppage of movement of traffic going or coming out of Mausubut village. Sir, very soon we will be able to get the proceeding of the meeting that we had yesterday, and once the proceeding is signed, then necessary direction will be given to the district administration to make sure that the stoppage of traffic movement to or from Mausubut village does not at all disturb.
Sir, thank you, sir. And do the government agree to concede this 600 stretch that belong to the Army without having the valid or legal documents?
Sir, as I've said, in fact, the land document is already there. However, yesterday again we have decided that resolving has to take place to make sure that everybody get the full clarity on the defense land or the civil land or whatever, and we have directed even the district administration along with the directorate of land record and survey to conduct the detailed survey, and thereafter we will see how this clarity is coming up, sir.
Will you please, when you laid that documents in the table floor of the House, sir? You said that the Army has got these land documents. You please lay it in the table floor of the House, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I can do that.
Sir, another question, sir. Sir, who was the authority to carry out the repairing and maintenance of the 600 road as of now, sir?
That portion, sir, it lies with the Defense Authority. And recently they have completed even the repairing and maintenance work.
Another one, sir. So last few days, last week, that when the PWD people wanted to start the bridge construction at Umkhen, which connects Chenta and Papi Badi. So it was reported that the same armies came to obstruct. I mean, they even removed the signboard of the village. So what do you have, sir, to say on this, sir?
Sir, relating to that new bridge construction in that Umkhen, we call it Umkhen River. Sir, yes, we are aware about this issue, Because again, it happens that some portion of that land falls under the defense land. Again, yesterday we have decided that the district collector will again go on the ground. The joint inspection has to be conducted, and very soon this issue will also be taken up by the district administration along with the defense authorities.
So I just request Honorable Teaching Sir to look into the matter seriously, sir, and to do the needful at the earliest.
Yes, sir.